Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can optimize ShadowPlay settings for peak performance. Basically, the first thing that you want to do to make sure that everything is compatible is to update your graphics driver. So inside your browser, simply search for your graphics card brand. In my case, I'm using AMD, or I mean NVIDIA. So I'll just type NVIDIA drivers right here. NVIDIA drivers downloads, and of course, if you're using something like Intel, just simply type Intel drivers downloads or AMD. You want to look for your right model, so I'm using the 3060 Ti. Click on the find button, and from here you will be able to download the latest version. After making sure that you have downloaded it, just press Alt Z on your keyboard. Basically, this is the default shortcut key for the ShadowPlay for NVIDIA. And basically, to edit out your setting, just click on the setting icon. Here, click video capture, and basically you can then set the quality to high. Now, this will completely depend on your computer specification. So if you have a mid-range PC, just set mid right here. If you have high-end PC, maybe something like 3070 Ti above, you then want to set something like high. But for the peak performance, just maybe set it to something like 30 FPS, making sure that it won't take up as much resources onto the video capture right here or the ShadowPlay, and you want to make sure to select something like in-game. Now with the quality, I suggest choosing high, so it will retain the high quality, but for default it will be at 60 FPS, which is not going to be the best for everyone. It is really going to be only best for those who have high specs computer. So I suggest choosing 30 FPS right here, and the bitrate is going to be something between 60 and 80. And so with this settings right here, you will be able to completely set it to the peak performance. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.